Alright, what's going on, guys? I just got back from Target, and I picked up these 2 retail boxes, so, I thought, if anything good's inside, why not do a box break? So, let's crack these open and see if we get anything good. So, let's start. We got just 2 retail. They're from Target. This one's got past and present, and this one has got like hoops and prism. So, let's check this out. There's no stickers or anything on the box, I don't think. That was a bad voice crack, but yeah. So let's go with this. Oh, here's a sticker. If anyone cares, it's number 03. Okay, you can't really see it on the camera, but yeah. So let's crack it open. Wow, no cards. What the heck? The bottom. Cool. Let's get the stuff out of the way. So there's that. Then, yeah, this one doesn't have a sticker. Oh, look. Got a little NBA dude. I don't know what that is. It's like a pencil capper. Who knows? But, hoops, prism, past and present, and whatever that is. So, let's save past and present prism for the end, and that. Alright, cool. Let's start with this. Alright. So, there's like a bonus pack in this. I don't know why it's clear, but oh well. It's got Clyde Drexler, red, white, and blue prism. Dirk, red, white, and blue prism. And then Josh Smith, red, white, and blue prism. Are they numbered? Nope. That's pretty cool. This focused? Yeah, looks good. Crap, don't rock the camera. Alright, so let's crack open these hoops. Base. Red border blatch. Base. It's probably going to be mostly base, but you never know. Then you got base. Red border Pekovic. Base. And guys, later this week I'm doing I ordered 2 hobby boxes, one Intrigue and one Prestige, so keep an eye out for those. Rookie Alex Len. Luol Deng red border. Yeah, but those are going to be fun boxes to break, because the Intrigue is this year's draft, and the Prestige has like 4 or 5 like autographs and memorabilia, so that'll be a fun one. Alright, so base, red border Steven Adams, base. What is this? National Treasures. Oh. What is this? I don't know. Alright, last pack of this one. Probably going to be hoops and 1 red border. I mean, all base and 1 red border. Reggie Bullock, rookie. Ooh, insert. Zach Randolph. Board members. Karasev, rookie red border. Base. Alright, cool. It's a nice base right there. So let's go for these hoops. These are, I think, 12, 13, yeah. So, ooh, these are nice hoops. Look at these look. Yeah, all these are just regular base. Oh, a coach card. It's cool. Alright. And I'm assuming this is going to be the same thing, just base. Boozer, West, another coach, I guess. Ooh, and Wilt Chamberlain. All right, so let's get these prisms open, and then we'll get the past and present, and then see what's in that box. All right, Vukovic, John Jenkins, Deron Williams, Olenek rookie, Moses Malone, and Joakim Noah. Another Josh Smith. Ooh. Wow. Detlef Schrempf. Red prism. That's cool. Didn't think they had cool things like this in like retail packs. That's really cool. Detlef Schrempf. Then last pack of these prism. This is a refract now. Hibbert, Dennis Schroeder rookie, Pete Maravich. Oh, dominance insert, Harrison Barnes, Taj Gibson. Past and present. I love the way these cards look. I wish they still made them. Alright. Bogut, Byron Scott, coach of the Lakers now. Darren Williams, Tony Allen, Tyler Hansborough, Orlando Johnson rookie, Tristan Thompson rookie, Maurice Harkless rookie, and these guys. Cool. So now let's check out what's in this box. Feels like cards. Yeah. Probably just like a bunch of old cards they threw together. Yep. Pretty much. Thanks for watching. Oh, Chalmers, cool. But thanks for watching, guys, and just remember later this week, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a couple box breaks with cool stuff. Like, I can't even talk right now. Cool box breaks with intrigue and a prestige. So keep a heads up for that. And I'll see you later, guys. See you later.